Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD app Yango app. How to fix or how to solve the problem of Yango app. You will click on settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Yango and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.